How to find and hire a professional book cover designer, your step-by-step guide to a best-selling look. You've poured months into your manuscript, but if your cover doesn't look professional, readers will scroll right past it. Don't let amateur design undermine your hard work. Today, we're fixing that. A professional cover is your most powerful marketing tool, acting as the first impression that leads to a purchase. Before you hire, remember 3 golden rules: genre clarity, mobile readability, and KDP formatting. First, your cover must immediately signal the genre to the reader so they know exactly what experience to expect. Second, ensure your design is readable as a tiny thumbnail on mobile devices, where most books are discovered. Third, always require KDP-ready files that meet technical specifications for both paperback and ebook platforms. Now let's look at where you can actually find the right talent for your specific project. Marketplaces like Fiverr are the smartest way for indie authors to connect with vetted, affordable design experts. Always filter by top-rated sellers and review their specific niche portfolios to find the perfect style match. A great design starts with a great brief. Here is what you need to provide for the best result. Send 2 or 3 examples of best-selling covers in your genre to help your designer visualize your goals. Include your exact page count for spine thickness and your finalized blurb to ensure everything fits perfectly. By following these steps, you secure commercial rights and a professional asset that belongs entirely to you. You are now ready to launch your book with a design that competes with the best in the market. Ready to get started? Check out the link in the description to find my top recommended professional book cover designers.